everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to quick search on the desktop on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so here I wanna turn on the quick search that usually appear on the desktop when you swipe it down. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can long press on the desktop until menu is appear, and then you can go to settings menu guys. So over there you can go to gestures, and here you can click for slide down on launcher like this, and you can choose quick search. So yeah, now let's we check together. We can swipe down on the desktop like this, and this is the quick search guys, and you can search for whatever you want about this phone, like any application or any feature. Alright guys, it's easy, right? So here's the tutorial on how to turn on quick search on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching guys.